I used to make these mistakes too. That's why I am sharing this with you. So, hello, my dear friends. This is Pragati with you all with day 12 of my English learning journey. Yes, my dear friends, there are some mistakes while speaking English we don't care about them, but they decreases our confidence and they makes us unconfident. So, my dear friends, I am going to show you in next 4 minutes how to fix them. Yes. For example, while speaking so many times we say I'm agree, but it's wrong. Don't use am word with agree. For example, I agree with you. Yes, it's correct word. Sentence. The example number 2. She didn't go there. It's right, but so many times we say she did not went there. It's absolutely wrong and we don't care about them as I said. So please in next time be aware of such sentence. And the third is very important is the she is more beautiful. It's correct. But what if we say she is more better? Don't say the word more before better. The better word is already used for comparison. It's a comparison adjective. So, my dear friends, use only better. For example, she is better, or you can say this option is better. Yes, such sentences makes us unconfident and people understands our English but they correct us. So, in such case, please remember such thing. Little learning makes a real grow up. So, today I learned this and shared with you. Hope you guys related my words and if this video helped you, then please like and hope we will meet soon in my day 13 video. See you then. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing.